Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply buy the catgirl coin on your Trust Wallet mobile app. And our first step is basically using the coinmarketcap.com to get its contract address and such. So we know how much it costs, and now we're going to get its contract address. So you simply use the menu or taskbar up here, click on About, and we're redirected to its contract address where we have the BNB BEP20 contract address. So you simply click on this copy icon right here. And once you've clicked on that, you minimize, head over to your Trust Wallet, open up Trust Wallet, and make sure you have tokens, BEP20 tokens you could use or you could swap in exchange for the catgirl coin. So click on Browser, scroll down and click on Pancake Swap. Give it some time to load in. Make sure your wallet is on the BEP20 network, that's the smart chain. By using the three-dotted icon at the top right corner of the screen, you can see here it's on the smart chain network. Make sure your wallet is connected as well. This can be done by simply clicking on the wallet connect icon, which also shows if it's connected by displaying disconnect. Otherwise, you connect your wallet manually. And our next step is basically we're going to be switching out our cake for some catgirl coin. So you simply click here and click on paste, pasting the address. You could as well search for catgirl, all in capital letters. Click on import, click on I understand. It's scanning the risk. It's a medium risk token, so we simply go ahead. Now I'm going to be using all of my Zenic, that's the Zenic coin, in exchange for the catgirl. Click on enable Zenic. And you could take your slippage tolerance down to 13 or 12%. Let's go with 12%. Click on swap, click on confirm swap. A smart contract call is going to pop in for $1.18. So you then click on approve. Click on add catgirl to wallet, click on OK. And now you simply head over to the wallet menu, where you simply reload, keep reloading, and boom, we have our catgirl right here. As you can see, it's deposited successfully on our wallet. So guys, do comment down below if you have any questions concerning how you can buy the catgirl coin on your Trust Wallet mobile app, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.